Kennel Cough. This cough is a dry cough that is caused by contagious respiratory infection. For you to get rid of this your dog, all you need to do is to keep your dog rested and make sure you stop giving the dog cold water but warm water for that period of time. If you do this, the cough should go in 1 to 2 weeks. Let's before I forget, make sure you give your dog an antibiotics drugs to get rid of this too. If after 1 to 2 weeks the cough still persists, then you may need to visit your vet and get it properly examined. But not to Father with my name and where dog food. Like, follow, and share for more. See you and